I've created this competitive shooter game while learning Unreal Engine multiplayer. So as you can see, I'm playing with 18 people in this server, and it's a fast-paced shooter game. So everything is optimized for the fast-paced gameplay. In this game, the network bandwidth and network is well optimized for the faster experience in the gameplay. So to handle sessions like hosting and joining the session, I've created a plugin inside this project which we can use to manage different services to handle sessions. And I've created a replicated movement of character like walking, aim, crouch, walking. So these all movements are replicated. So I've created lots of weapon and created a combat component class to handle weapon and combat behavior. So I've created this game so that all the important event like handling damage, picking up the weapon, all are done on the server. So server is authoritative for all the events. So this game prevents the cheaters from cheating, and I've created multiple weapons. So for example, I've created assault rifle, pistols, SMGs, sniper rifle of course, a rocket launcher, a grenade launcher which can bounce off the surfaces, a shotgun which fire multiple bullets, and at the last a grenade which we can throw. So I've used projectile movement component for projectile based weapon, use ray tracing for hit scan weapon, and use radial damage for explosive type of weapon. So I've created bullet scatter for shotgun also. It's all random. And this scatter is replicated across all the machine consistently. So I've created a dynamic crosshair, aim offset for aiming, and inverse kinematics so our left hand always be placed on correct position on the weapon. And there are bullet shells also for different weapons. So I've created different game state. One is warm up state where you can fly around the map, and one is game end state which will show the winner once the game ends. So the game time across all the machines are synced. We can eliminate players and spawn and then add to defeat and score. This is done by player state and game state, as you can see. And this is the elimination effect, which is cool. So this is the bot which gets spawned when a player get eliminated, and this is the material for eliminating a player. We can use this to show the health of the player also. And I've created a pickup and a buff class which will spawn uh, buff components, I mean buff pickups and normal pickups. By normal pickup I mean ammos. So and all the pickup ammo and carried ammo are managed by player controller on the notify event based system. And there is a lag compensation techniques also implemented, and created a widget which will notify you when you are playing in a laggy condition. So one lag compensation technique which I implemented is server side rewind, where server go back in time and check the valid hit. So it has some problem that a player will die later, like it takes some time after getting a hit. So to fix this problem, I've created a threshold ping which will enable disable the server side rewind, and it's all done in a lag compensation component. And I've created different game modes, free for all, teams, these two are death matches, and a capture the flag kind of game scenario. So I've created like this multiple game modes which you can play with your friends. So I wanted to learn how to create a competitive shooter with a very reliable hit detection system and a performant replication code. So while learning those two things, I've created this project. So it's a portfolio project, it's not a final piece, but yeah, it is what it is. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a nice day.